Hey there, welcome back guys. This video special thanks to Rebecca from Vital Promotions for sending us the Ogury camping light. Many different uses and features that it has is magnetic, design hook, waterproof, and USB-C type charging and much more. So without any further ado, let's get started. Let's unbox this thing and check it out. Okay, we're going to be unboxing the Ogury camping light. Really amazing. Has a little stand in here. Great packaging, and here we are. Here's the light itself. It's lightweight. You have your on-off button, and then you also have, you can control the brightness from here. But if your phone's about to die, you can also use it as an output charger. You can plug in your phone using the provided cord, and it tells you everything is labeled. Output is on the top and inputs in the bottom. Grab your phone, you're out camping and need that extra boost. Wait for it. Voila. Kind of neat, huh? And knowing that moving forward, check this out though. You can actually use this at any angle you want. You can turn it, turn it, turn it, turn it, turn it, turn it. Kind of neat, huh? And that's pretty much it. And you can close it like that. Here's our little stand right here. It's real robust. You could use it for those parties. We have a built-in flashlight, which is really convenient. Aside from the built-in flashlight, this is magnetic right there, so you can actually stick it to something. And check this out. This will come out really easily, right? And you can actually hook it on to something. And you also have bracket mode. So what you would do is you would screw this on, tighten it, and now we can stand it up. And once it's in bracket mode, it should look like this. And you can pop these out, similar to the tripod experience. There you have 3 little tabs. You decide which one will be ideal for you. For me, given that the ceilings are lower, probably right about there, like that. And then you push right here to open up the legs. See, they pop out. Kind of neat, huh? And then just watch your stuff behind it. It'll lock on. So there's a little bolt in there that tells it to stop. And then we'll put it down right about here. And there you are, ladies and gentlemen. Kind of neat, huh? We're going to test it out in a second. But let's see how it actually is in the dark. You will never be left in the dark again. We'll just turn it on. It illuminates the whole room, which is phenomenal. And if you hold down the power button, maybe it's too bright for you, right? So you can use it as a direct flashlight, have the light shine up into the ceiling, or maybe you're going to use it as a flashlight if you detach it, right? And then we can turn it off. Too bright. See, can warm it down a little bit. And if it's warm, right, warm lighting, then we can just tone it down from the warmth using that one. We have flash, rapid flash, you could use if you need. But then again, we don't want that. And then turn it off again. And remember, see, too bright, but maybe we need to work in that particular area, right? So at first it will go on at its complete brightness. And then we'll turn these things, right? Each light can be individually turned in the direction you want to project the light to. And then we just turn this all the way around, and then voila, we have full lighting in that direction. Kind of neat, huh? Come have a look. See, look at that. And now we're just going to have a look from the other side. Once again, this is the Ogury Z10 cordless camp light with stand. Amazing. 60 to 2,200 lumens with a variable brightness, 180 degrees to 270 rotation flex, as we saw with the LEDs that were able to point in the direction that's desired, 5 lighting modes, and 3 brightness levels with a 10,000 milliamp battery, up to 24 hours of light. Can you imagine that? I can't imagine any other camping flashlight doing the same. And that 320-foot beam range flashlight that was pointing into the ceiling. Gotta love it. Able to light up the whole room and workspace, or maybe even when the lights go out in the middle of the night and you need that extra lighting so you can find your stuff or continue business as usual. Kind of neat, huh? An Ogury light for every project and adventure in and outside your home, whether it be the party, whether it be when the lights go out, or whether it be in working under the desk, fixing that thing that broke, that goes bump in the middle of the night. But whatever it may be, this will definitely help shine the way moving forward, and we'll have a nice home right here in its own little spot right there. Anyway, I hope that this video helped you. If you have any comments or questions, feel free to leave them down below, or ideas for other videos. Remember to like and subscribe, and we'll see you all next time.